Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting the canvas to the right dimensions and DPI so your work scales well. Once done, create a clear, named layer stack, sketch, linear, base color, shading, highlights, and lock or alpha lock layers to avoid mistakes. Now pick 3 core brushes, a textured pencil for sketching, a stabilized pen for linear, and a soft brush for shading. Make sure pressure and smoothing are tuned. This gives you predictable strokes and faster, cleaner results as you continue. You now focus on structure and texture. Use selection and lasso tools to block colors quickly, then apply clipping masks to shade without leaving edges. Layer groups keep related parts tidy. Experiment with multiply and screen blending modes to add depth, and use soft erasers to refine transitions. Adjust custom brush settings, size, flow, scatter, and pressure curve, so each stroke behaves like a natural tool. Once done, merge temporary groups and keep incremental saved copies to preserve earlier stages. You wrap up by cleaning line work and adding finishing touches. Vary line width, add tiny highlights, and introduce subtle texture to avoid flat surfaces. Then apply non-destructive color adjustments and a gentle global contrast boost to unify the piece. When exporting, choose PNG or TIFF for final quality and PSD if you need layers later. Make sure to save a high-res master and an editable backup. If you see banding or jagged edges, re-render at twice the size or enable dithering to fix it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.